Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reverse loop videos in CapCut. This effect creates a seamless playback transition that can add a creative and professional touch to your content. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. Open CapCut and load the project that contains the video you want to turn into a reverse loop. Tap on the video clip in your timeline, then select Duplicate. This will create a second copy of the same clip right after the original one. Next, select the duplicated clip and tap on Reverse. CapCut will begin processing the clip and create a reversed version of your original footage. Once the reversing process is complete, play back the timeline. The first clip will play normally, and the duplicated clip will play backward, creating a smooth looping effect that flows naturally from the end of the clip back toward the beginning. If you want the loop to look even smoother, consider adding a transition between the two clips. For example, the Blu-ray scanning transition can help create a more seamless connection between the original clip and the reversed version. And that's it! Now you know how to reverse loop videos in CapCut.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!